Guys, it's minutes to 3 now. Like quarter to 3, and the snowstorm is still going. The wind is it's getting worse. Wow, look at that. This thing is not gonna stop. We don't have anywhere to put snow. The truck's over there trying to put the snow over that side. Oh my goodness. Ay, ay, ay. Car is covered in snow again. Snow is blowing underneath my pants. Oh, this is crazy. These guys have been see? Wow, this is crazy. I'm gonna have to clean the car. Look at this. I'm gonna have to reverse. I'm gonna have to dig out this in order to reverse. I can't even find a place to go and clean the snow. If I walk in that, it's gonna reach almost to my knee. Ah, this is crazy, man. Let me see which side is better. This side is the same thing. It's still high. I'm just gonna have to just walk in this snow. Let's see how far this thing. Ooh, look at that. Foot is all the way down in the snow. This is crazy. Huh? Oh, Jesus Christ. Whoa. Woo-hoo. Everything is frozen. Take up. This is frozen. This is crazy. Look at that. I can't get that off. It's very nice. Everything turned ice. Yeah. Jesus. Yay. Hands are frozen. Oh man. This is crazy. Woo. This is numb. Oh God. Oh. Turn on this thing now. Whew. It's gonna try and clean this and then reverse and see if I can bring it like right out here in the clear. And then I just have to be walking. Look how deep this thing is. Going around on this side. Snow is in my shoes, my socks, everywhere. This thing turned ice. Man, this is crazy. This is worse than this morning. Wow. I can work with this. Let me just, this thing is frozen. Ice, everything. My God. It's ice because otherwise when I'm driving it's gonna come on the windscreen. But the wind is terrible. After I'm done, this car is gonna need to get a paint job. Snow is crazy. Oh man. Alright, let's see that's the. Let me clean the window on this side so I can see when I'm driving. Oh goodness. I can't feel my hands. Back window can stay. Just wanna see through my rear windows. Rear view window. Okay, that's good. Get some of them. Back. Oh, this is crazy. Whew. Can't even see the license plate. Oh, man. I can reverse 24 to drive. This is a lot of snow right there. This is what we go through in the winter. Those who are in the warm climate, and you said you want to come to Boston or come to USA, please stay in the warm climate, please, unless you're going to somewhere warm like Miami. Yeah, all right. I'm telling you. Yes, yes, I will, sweetie. All right. Okay, see you tomorrow. All right. Oh my God. Wow. Okay. Oh, my hands are frozen. Oh, Jesus. Just clean this and it's back like that already. Okay, let me take this off. Let's see if I can move the car. That's gonna be another problem. I don't have any shovel to remove the snow from the back of the car. Let's hope and pray that the four-wheel drive will go over the snow. Oh my God. Ice. Okay. Everything here. Okay. Alright, not bad. Let's see if I can move now. Alright, let me pause this for a while. Okay. I can reverse out. Okay. Guys, I can feel my fingers, they're burning. Try and see if I can reverse. Can't even see behind me because oh man. This four-wheel drive is strong. It's out. Ay, come on. Oof. I can't see behind me. Let me use my two mirrors. Side view. Oh my goodness gracious. This is crazy. My fingers are hurting. Like negative 50. This is just ridiculous. Man. My fingers are burning up. This road, it's covered in snow. There's a fire. Last time we get a lot more snow, but this one is worse because of the wind. The wind is creating havoc. As soon as they clean the road, the wind just blow back the snow and cover the road. It's crazy. Wow. young one is going skiing over there. He's enjoying himself. They're all going skiing. Wow. Weather like this, if I'm not working, I won't be outside. I want to be inside the house where it's warm. And they're out in this cold weather going skiing. Wow. Can you imagine that? And I'm dying inside here and I'm in the car. Trying to recover from the 15 minutes I spent trying to clean the car. Easy. It's covered in snow, it's not holding. It's one now, yes. Time to go down the hill. This hill is very steep. As I'm going down this hill less than 2 miles per hour. This hill is steep. I don't want it to slide. There's any car coming close down. The security is behind me. Stop and let go. Stop and let go. Yep. Okay. Big go through. Alright, so down the hill safely. Wow, that's crazy. This is way worse than the last one. The last one we had a lot more snow. This is crazy, the wind. I don't care the traffic behind me, I'm not going faster than this. Anybody who's watching this, if you're not used to driving in the snow, please stay inside or take the bus or hire an Uber. It's not easy. The road is slippery. Snow is on the road. And when you pump the brakes for too long, then the snow gets on the brake and it's not holding. You have to keep pumping, let go, pump and let go, pump and let go. It's crazy. It's got a brain hope that's more people. It's not in front of you, so you gotta follow the rules and drive at least 2 car lengths behind the vehicle in front of you. With this snow, you drive 4 car lengths just to be on the safe side. This morning that was clean, and look over there. Wow. This is like 5 times worse than this morning. This is crazy. This morning I could have seen the tarmac on the road. Now it's covered in snow. Over that side I have at least 6 inches of snow on the road over there. And they've been going up and down constantly. This is crazy. Driving in the first gear and the 4x4 is on for the car not to slip on the road. Look at that car, see that car spinning? Can't move. The wrong thing. That's not gonna help him. This person, he's gonna take his time and touch and let go for it to come out. Or if he put it in reverse, you have a better chance of coming out. I know it is stronger when you're reversing it. Remind me of the 2011, yeah, 2012 storm that we have. We have like almost 18 inches. Everywhere was covered in snow. There was nowhere to put the snow for months. Because we keep having snowstorm one after the other. Every week we had a snowstorm. Crazy. That's a big vehicle right there, and it's moving, and it's the wheel is skidding. It's either he doesn't have it in a low gear, or he needs some good tires. And that's a big van. let's get it. Gear 1 and 4-wheel drive is working for me. It's moving smoothly, going slowly but surely. No haste. I said haste make waste. Just taking my time. What's going on? That car is stuck, you can't move. Okay. Oh yeah. Move, Papa. Take your time. Don't want to cause any accident right now. Oh, papers and documents. Some quarters to give her, I couldn't stop. It's too cold, man. Everywhere is white, guys. As far as I can see, everywhere is white. You can see the visibility. After like 20 meters, 30 meters, you have good visibility. After that, visibility is poor just because of the wind twirling the snow in the air. All that to do me good right now, the Toyota Tundra. Just go through this like a baby, like nothing. Like this, I might have to upgrade and get a pickup. This is crazy. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The Tundra just going through with ease. more salt, more than that on the road for it. Snowstorm is no joke. As far as you can see is white. The sky everywhere is white. Snow coming down. Please remember to give me a like and to share if you can. And if you haven't subscribed and you like the content, you can subscribe to the channel. Subscription is free. Driving in the snowstorm from work, guys. what we go through in the winter in Boston. Very scary stuff. Not for the fainted heart. All of my 27 years of driving experience for this one coming home. This was a tricky ride. This morning I had a smooth sailing compared to this going to work. Now it's terrible. Same thing in the morning that's gonna keep on for the entire day. I hope they clean the side streets. Snow. Yeah, thank you, Jesus. Right, I'm protecting you safely from work to home. This road is filled with snow. Oh, look at that. Snow. This road is yeah. You know what? It's skidding now. I need to clean this road. This road is filled with snow, man. We drive in the part that is cleared by the vehicles. That ambulances, what's going on? Hopeless. Okay, a car is in hopeless. Right. It's across from where it is, so everybody's okay. Everybody's from the other side. Seems like they're stuck. Yeah, guys, I don't even have any way to drive in. See the snow on the road right there? Oh, I'm gonna go inside. Yeah, this is snow. This is crazy. There's no parking space for me right there. Aye, aye, aye. Now, cleaning out the snow is worse than the 8 hours I spent at work. This is crazy. And it seems that it's just vehicle is stuck and they can't move. Anyway, guys, I made it home safe. Thanks to everybody that has watched the video. I wish you all peace, love, joy, and happiness. Keep safe, guys. Stay out of the snowstorm. Stay in your house where it is warm. I'm gonna have to go and do some shoveling now. Some serious shoveling in order to park the vehicle. That's what I'm gonna have to clean out over there, guys. I don't know when I'm gonna finish doing that. That's gonna take me like a couple hours. That's crazy. But gotta do what I gotta do. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Bye bye now. Have a wonderful day.